Hi, my name is Nick at Grants Toyota with our brand new 2023 Toyota Tundra. It's a TRD off-road. This truck is equipped with the TRD lift kit that is designed by TRD in-house. It is going to come with your Bilstein shocks and comes with your Bilstein shocks, and it's going to have a longer upper control arm or extended upper control arms. It also is going to have your new CVs in the bottom that are a little bit longer, and it also has longer brake lines in the front, sleeved inner tie rod ends, and a new outer tie rod end to keep proper steering geometry. They also put a drop bracket on the front sway bar to help with stability on and off-road. In the rear of this truck, you're going to get a 4-inch puck under your rear springs, and also you're going to get the Bilstein shocks that are tuned by TRD in-house. You're also going to get extended brake lines brackets and extended wheel speed brackets. This is a TRD off-road truck, and it is going to be equipped with the new Recon Grapplers. They're a Nitto tire. It's just came out this year at the SEMA show. And we also changed the wheels on this particular truck. It's a TRD off-road, so it's going to have the rear locker. It's going to have the multi-terrain select, and it also has crawl control. If you guys are familiar with crawl control, it used to be really loud. The Toyota actually refined it quite a bit, and you barely can even hear it working. With the multi-terrain select, it's going to give you the ability to pick the type of terrain that you're on, and it will make the brakes work accordingly with the vehicle. So if you are in rocks, it's going to give you more traction because it's going to pulse the brakes more, as is to sand, which it doesn't need a lot of brakes. You need more wheel slip to get momentum to go through there. Great truck. Come on down and see me. 859-229-9025. My name is Nick. Talk to you soon.